So previously we have seen basic operations on image, just like loading image, rescaling, displaying. Okay, then afterwards we have seen drawing shapes on the image. Okay, we have drawn rectangle, circle, line. We can do so many tasks, just like putting text on the image. We can do that. Okay, cv dot put text image, then string, hey, hi fox, how are you? Okay, then starting point of your string, we can say that 50 comma 50. Okay, then we have font faces inbuilt in our opencv. Okay, cv dot font से ट्रिपल एक्स ले लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, कौन सा ही ले लो. ओके, देन font scale we can say that just 1.0. okay, means how you want to how much bigger font you want. Then color space we can give as a scalar 255, we will give blue 0,0. okay, thickness 2, and then we will display our image cv.imshow text on image. Then what's the name of our image, sorry, file, and drw.py. okay, no such directory. okay, or cd space open. yes, no issue. cd space encv g. okay, now python okay, yeah, you can see this. We will cut just previous ones, and you can see this. okay, hey, hi folks, how are you? And these are the, we have drawn rectangle, circle, line into that square or rectangle. We can draw anywhere in the image. okay, now so today we will see the basic functions in the opencv. function in okay, the first function we will see converting our colored image to a grayscale image. Firstly, import cv2 as cv, okay, image, that cv पहले ये काम कर लेते हैं 0, इसका फिर उसके बाद ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत नहीं. कहते हैं इमेज इक्वल्स टू cv डॉट इमेज रीड, इसको देना भी फाइल का नाम. ओके, ये अपना सिबलिंग है, ये भाई है, उसको डायरेक्ट बुला सकते हैं कैट small dot jpg. Okay, now so we have loaded the image. We can show that cv dot im show image. Okay, we have displayed. Now we don't need comment down. We can convert with the help of c. There is a function cv dot sorry cvt color. Okay, then we will pass image, then code we have to pass. The code is cv dot in the color, it is a int value, we can say that color underscore bgr to gray. Okay, then keep the other, we don't want the other parameters. Now we can save this gray image. Okay, now we can display that image. cv dot am show okay, we will display both images. Wait, okay, so just uncomment this. Okay, save it, run it. Yeah, let's see, with just a function we have converted our colored image to the gray image. Good, well done. The next task we will do, we can blur that image with the help of a function. How can we do that? Okay, blur the image. Okay, firstly we will create a variable blur equals to, again, cv dot, there are several functions just like Gaussian blur, median blur, average blur, okay, bilateral blur, but in the simplest we will use Gaussian blur. Okay, in that Gaussian blur we have to pass image comma kernel size. Kernel size means there is a 3x3 or 2x3 matrix. 3 comma 3 will help us to blur the image. Okay, अभी उसमें ये वैल्यू अभी देने के नहीं देने के कोई बात नहीं, बॉर्डर टाइप दे सकते हैं अपन. Border default. Okay, save this and display the image. cv dot im so okay, after that I will show you the another function. Okay, here you can see, here is our original size, original image, and this is a blurred image. Okay, now this is not that much blurred image, but it's kind of blurred. Now because of this our image has been blurred. If we increase the size 5 by 5, generally keep it same, 3 5 7, keep it odd numbers. Okay, although it can work in a even numbers, but it is a standard procedure. Now again we will run. Let's see, it is a much more blurred than a previous one. Okay, I will show you the another function, or just average blur. Okay, equals to cv dot blur. Here we have to just pass image and 3 by 3 kernel, nothing more than that. 3 comma 3. Save it. cv dot imshow I'm show ev okay, then average blur. Save it, run it, let's see. Okay, wait, we will keep the kernel size of both so we can compare that images. Either let's say 5 by 5, no problem. 5 comma 5. Save it, run it. Okay, see, somewhat similar, but the Gaussian blur is much more crisp and clear. You can see that, and many times Gaussian blur is used. Okay, no issue. Next we will see edge detection. Okay, there are several ways here also several ways we can detect our edges with the help of canny edge detectors or with the help of thresholding. We can do that. Okay, then create a variable canny equals to cv dot canny. Here we have to pass image comma threshold value. Don't be bothered about these values, we will see in upcomings. Okay, 125 and 175. Okay, this will help us while detecting our edges. Save this, cv dot imshow. Okay, then comma canny. Okay, run this, let's see. This is our edges of that original image. Okay, not that much because there is nothing for the edges. If you took another example or another image, you can see lot of edges. Okay, no issue. Now we can also increase the size of or the increase the thickness of that images, sorry, edges with the help of dilating. Okay, now there is another function cv dot dilate. Okay, and for this we have to pass image, then 3 comma 3 and iterations we will. Okay, how many iterations do you want over this kernel will equal to 3. Okay, just say initially 1. Oh, we haven't displayed our dilated. We say this, run this. Okay, आया. Then में क्या हुआ, we haven't got the edges thickened because we have passed directly image. We have to pass the edges detected previously, so we can pass the canny where the edges we have detected. Okay, save this, run this, let's see. We have thickened our edges. Okay, see, the shape is same, but just we have thickened our edges. The thickness of the edges we have increased. Okay, good. Okay, again, sometimes it can be happen we have to go back or the reduce the thickness of our edges. We can do that. Okay, now this process is known as eroding. Okay, for that we have to pass this dilated image or the image you want to, or the edges you want to reduce the thickness of that edges. Okay, you have to pass eroding. Can say erode equals to cv dot erod, there is function. Okay, we can pass image dilated, again kernel as 3,3. Okay, then nothing or okay, it we will pass iterations. Iteration is equal to 1. Save this, show this. Okay, or save this, run this. Now let's see, we have the 3 edges. The first one is scan edge detections. This and this looks similar. Okay, and this is the edges with the thickened edges. This is the image with thickened edges. The thickness of that edges is bigger. Okay, good. Now okay, we have previously resized our image, okay, with the help of custom function. Now we can directly use the function. Okay, equal to cv dot resize. Okay, we have to pass image and size you want. We will say 200 by 200. Okay, whatever the size of your image, it will convert that image into 200 by 200. ओके, अभी इसमें एक ड्रॉबैक है कि ये अपना इमेज का एस्पेक्ट रेशियो कंसिडर नहीं करेगा. ओके, स्टिल वी विल सी हाउ टू टैकल विद दैट. cv dot im शो बाजी करेंगे. सी गुड. See, now edges, we don't want our edges. This is our original image and this is the resized image. Now we will, here the aspect ratio of image is not maintained. You can see that the image is just like compressed vertically. You can see that. We will try to maintain the aspect ratio, and to maintain the aspect ratio we have to do the interpolation. Okay, you don't have to, just specify that interpolation equals to cv dot inter rater or inter area. Okay, no problem. Okay, now we will see what the difference looks similar, but just like it will maintain our aspect ratio. Okay, good. So many images, as we have done so many things like that. Okay, the last thing I will show you how to crop the image. Okay, here we can see cropped equals to, array. We can directly manipulate our array because our image is just like an array. Okay, we will crop between so से लेके 200 तक एंड 200 से लेके 400 तक. Okay, then show our image cv.imshow. Save this, run this. See. Okay, इजेस तुम जाओ उधर थोड़ा सा. सी, ओह इधर आ. कहाँ गए अपने इमेजेस? फिर से रन करना पड़ेगा क्या? ठीक है. यस वी हैव रन एक्चुअली. कैन सी दैट this is our original image. Okay, so far we have seen what we have seen. Converting to grayscale, blurring the image. We have seen two methods of blurring, Gaussian blur and average blur. And there again we have seen canny edge detection, dilation and eroding and resizing and cropping of our images. Okay, good. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for next video.